this spirit spoon for this one.
A homemaker in the kitchen, pots clinking, cooking up love flavors, never shrinking. She adores her man, feeds him like a king. Her heart in the meals, that's where the magic's been. Her love on the stove, passion in every bite. Culinary queen, her love's cuisine, hearts intertwined and the dish is serene. Cooking up joy, happiness, fresh green, filling their souls and love supreme.
So we haven't had sausage in a while, so Jay brought up the sausage from downstairs and let it thaw overnight, and we're making sausage. So I'm just melting that beautiful butter, and we have 6 sausages to eat, so let's make something with the sausage for supper. Okay, so I cooked the sausage in the cast iron frying pan. I cut them in half so we get, smaller sizes, because we need a little bit of room for what I'm about to put in here. So I'm going to add whole white potatoes. I have potatoes, like fresh potatoes, but I don't have enough for what I want to do this week. So I'm going to keep them for French fries, okay? So this is something for my pantry. It's something that I often buy for my pantry because it's good to have when you don't want to use up fresh potatoes or you don't have fresh potatoes. And you could home fry them in the morning, like you can make a nice side with your eggs. You can put them in your stew, put them in your soup. Bella! You can only see what Bella's doing right now. Crazy dog. She's humping Jay. Bella! Stop it. You're not a boy dog. She's crazy, I tell you. Sometimes she does stupid stuff. Okay, so once this is almost just about ready, I'm going to add the potatoes. I'm going to turn this down to number 4. Don't want it too high because we don't want to burn the outside and not cook the inside, right? But I'm going to put a lid on it so it doesn't splatter everywhere. I was thinking, I got this in a reduced bin a while back. 89 cents. It's the Fresh Success roast potato seasoning, bacon and chive flavor. I tried a little bit of it on French fries and they were awesome. I think I'm going to try this on here today. I'm going to check on this first. I think just a little bit longer for this, then I'll add my potatoes and add that spice to it. It's gonna be delicious. Oh yeah. Look at that. Now we're going to put some of these in here. We're going to turn it down to low 4 a little bit. These are whole potatoes, guys. You can cut them in half if you want. But I think whole potatoes is what we want for this dish. Need room for just one more. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Okay. So we're going to sprinkle some of this on here for now. Some of this seasoning that I just love. Because I spread it out. I don't use the whole pack because that's way too much. Too much flavor. Can't have too much of a very, very good thing like this, you know. It's going to make it too salty or, you know. There. Still have some more. So we could do another one day. I spread it out. If you have a big family, it's different. But it's just me and Jay. So let's just put the lid on for about a minute and we'll come back and then flip it. Alright, so it's been about a minute. Just took the lid off. And as you can see, they're starting to get golden. So that's good. That's what we want. I'm going to flip it now. Get the spice. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some sauerkraut on top of that. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. We have some leftover sauerkraut. I'm going to open the new can that I bought this week. And we're going to finish off this one from my fridge. So we'll have fresh sauerkraut in the fridge again. That can really does spread. It's really packed in there, and there's quite a bit of sauerkraut. So yeah, I like the can that I bought. Made multiple meals with it. Oh, let's flip this one over here. Woohoo! Let's put that on top. Jay's like wanting sausages, so I was like, I wanted sausages. We both wanted sausages, and we're like, what are we gonna make? Just sausages? I'm like, we gotta make something on the side. So I'm like, I'm gonna concoct something. So here I am concocting.
That's my girl.
Bella, Mama make a video. Bella, Mama make a video. So one more minute, and it's time to eat. Okay, so there's dinner, guys. That's the potatoes, sauerkraut, and sausage with some dark rye on the side. I'm going to butter my dark rye. Jay just wants to probably... What are you going to do with your dark rye, Jay?
I'm just going to eat it.
Just going to eat it like that?
Yeah.
All right. That's dinner for tonight, guys. Another easy meal. Using up some pantry items, stuff from my freezer. The rye bread I last bought on my grocery haul. And there we go. I do like that seasoning mix I put on there because you could taste the bacon. Absolutely delicious, guys. Just had a piece of my sausage. Delicious.